Solve the following quadratic equations and find out the roots for the same. X square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Comparing this with the standard form of quadratic equations, you have A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 4, and C is equal to 4. So we have your AC, that is 1 into 4, that is 4. Now we have to factorize 4 in such a way that is we get the addition of factors as minus 4. So therefore it comes out to be minus 2 and minus 2. So therefore we can split the middle term like this: x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So x into x minus 2 minus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So you will get that x minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 2. So that's your root.